Lock up the council member. You go right ahead. You don't have to touch me now. Don't touch me. I wasn't walking fast enough out of AT&T, so they arrested me.
Let's see how this mess actually started. This lady thought her city job made her untouchable, but here is a reality check. A store is not a public park. It is private property.
Well, we'll give her one more chance. If not, she'll go to jail.
I've been customer all the way up to now.
Who is it?
Until this scam has ran on all of my information. Calling them, doing everything that I possibly can to get them to help me. I don't have.
What's her name?
Yes, yes,
I'm not even sure. Okay. Fogle is the last name.
yes. What can I help you with?
They're not wishing for you to be here anymore. So
Well, I'm gonna take care. I'm their customer.
Most people think being a customer gives them a permanent right to stay. It does not. Once the manager says go, your customer status is dead. You are officially a trespasser.
I'm not escalating. I want y'all to take care of me as your customer.
We tried, but you escalated, so I asked you to leave.
So you escalated right along with me. I'm not leaving until I get some
Just
satisfaction.
ignore it.
Just leave me alone
Miss Fogle?
for right now. Let me finish this,
Listen to
officer.
me. I don't care.
I
Listen
don't
to me.
care either. I don't
I'm
care.
gonna ask you to leave. If you refuse to leave, you're gonna go to jail.
Okay, well, lock up the council member. You
I
go
don't care
right
if you're-
ahead.
I don't care
go
if you're a
right
council
ahead.
member.
Just
You're
let
not-
me.
you're
Can
not
you
a-
just leave me alone
you
for
are
a minute
not
and let
above-
me just calm
Listen
down?
to me.
And you're not above the law either. And
I
I
know
know
that.
my rights.
I know that.
I know my rights. So
I am-
just wait a minute.
I'm
Just
asking-
give me a moment.
I'm asking you to
Can
leave.
you give me a moment right now?
No.
Just give me 5 minutes.
They don't wish you to be here anymore.
Give me 5 minutes.
I'm not giving you 5 minutes.
She is trying to negotiate with a direct order. But the law does not have a 5-minute grace period for you to catch your breath. When a cop says, move, you move.
I am asking you as a law enforcement officer to leave.
So
Are you refusing to leave, Ms.
I'm
Fogle?
getting ready to finish this so I can leave.
Nope,
Just
that's-
leave me alone
That's
for
not,
right now.
that's not possible right now, okay? Are you refusing to leave? Yes or no? I'm asking you to leave because on their behalf, okay? Are you refusing to leave, Ms. Fogle? Who's she to you? Sir?
Don't answer.
Are you refusing to leave?
No, I'm not refusing to
Okay,
leave.
then I need you to get up and leave.
323B. Check a traffic hazard. 8 Boulevard, Boulevard, 8 Boulevard, inbound.
I'm trying to help you right now, okay?
Yeah, I'm trying to help you too.
Okay. Are you refusing to leave?
No, I'm not refusing to leave.
Are you going to get up and leave?
I am going to get up and
Okay.
leave.
Then let's get up and leave, okay?
I already got you.
Let's
I
get
hope
up
you got
and leave.
another. I hope you got another profession. I promise you right there.
You're not above the law just because you're a council
You're
member.
not above the law either.
I'm not doing anything.
Because you're a cop.
I didn't say
Okay,
that.
just leave me alone. I just told y'all to leave.
Then
I don't want to
let's-
leave this trash.
Let's get up and leave.
324C further.
Go ahead.
Sorry, I'm not the right color.
1045, 1953.
That's really what it's got to do with it. Because you can't even get your own customer service somehow. What's your name?
Miss O, you got 10 seconds or you're going to jail, okay?
I'm not going to jail.
You got 10 seconds to leave
I'm
or
not
you're
going
going
to jail. I'm
Okay.
walking and
Let's
I'm not
go.
going to jail. I'm going.
Let's go.
I'm walking.
Let's
I'm
go.
walking. I don't have to walk your
I don't
speed,
have
but I'm
no
walking.
I don't have no opinion with doing this, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Let's
Keep
go.
on. Keep going. I'm going. I'll be back, but I'm going today.
Do you want her to trespass?
No, I really,
Okay.
I don't. But
Miss Fogle, let's go. Come on.
You don't have to touch me now. Don't touch me.
You're under
Don't
arrest.
touch me.
You're under
No,
arrest.
no, no,
You're
I'm
under
not.
arrest.
All I asked you to do was not to touch me. You didn't have to put your hands on me. You didn't have to. No.
Miss Fogle, you are under arrest.
Here's the thing. Resisting arrest is not just throwing punches. Tensing up and refusing to move is enough to get you in deeper trouble. She is turning a small ticket into a criminal record.
I'm not under arrest. I'm not under arrest. You don't have to. This is something you're doing.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Yes, it
You are
is.
under arrest.
Yes,
Stop
please.
fighting. Stop resisting me.
Put this on there.
You are making
I'm
this
not
harder than what it needs to be.
resisting you. I'm not resisting you. And I was walking outside when you put your hands on me. I'm not refusing arrest.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop refusing.
Please put this on film. I'm not resisting.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
I'm not resisting. I didn't leave fast enough for you.
Nope.
They
And then when I try
They
to
mistreated me.
when I try to help you,
They mistreated me.
you want to become physical.
I wasn't physical.
Okay.
You using some really
Put your
bad
hands
words.
behind your back.
You using some real bad words for me. Do you know about my ankle? I got a plate in my ankle, so I couldn't walk no faster.
That's fine. You are under arrest. That's
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
What is my arrest for? Tell me what my arrest for, please. Because I didn't resist. I got up. I wasn't moving fast enough for you.
Put your hands behind your back.
Will you please tell me what I'm being
We're not
arrested
doing
for?
this, okay?
He can explain everything to you once you're in cuffs, okay?
Sir, Sergeant, are you the sergeant?
I am, ma'am. Go ahead and put your hands
Wait.
on your back for me.
I told you to leave. You kept refusing to leave.
I did not refuse to
Put
leave.
your hands
And we
behind your
have
back.
it on video.
Handcuffs.
If you don't mind.
Push that drop line.
Here, baby, get my wallet.
Hang on
out
just
of
one
here.
second. We're going to go in your pockets first, okay? I don't want anybody reaching in your pockets. I don't know what's in your pockets yet, okay? I understand. We'll
I don't have nothing but a high bill. A high bill.
Okay.
That's all I got.
I understand. I'm just
And this
explaining
is
that we're not going to let anybody
but this
go through your
right
pockets
here
right now.
is not even necessary.
I asked you to leave.
And you know what? I got up and started walking.
then when I-
Can you please get everybody's name in there? Because I got up and started. No, go in there and
You
just.
got up and started walking, right?
Exactly.
But you're taking your time doing so.
But I got a plate and I got an ankle. I got a plate in my ankle.
Miss Fogle, it's all on
So
video.
there's a speed limit that I have to do.
It is all on video, okay?
No, let me ask you something, officer.
Do you have anything on you?
Let me ask you something. Is there did I need to fast walk it? Is that what you're telling me? I'm getting arrested because I didn't walk fast
Do you have
enough.
anything on you that might focus it? Do you have anything on you that might focus it?
Will you please answer me? I wasn't walking fast enough.
That's not the problem.
That's what you saying. You said I got up, started walking,
You got some
and I.
things in your pocket, so let's go
I know. I just.
go over here first, okay? Let's go.
Sergeant, what's your name?
Sergeant Eagley.
Okay. All right.
Watch your step, okay?
You want me to start at 16?
Why didn't we go that way then?
328.
Why didn't we go with the sergeant?
He's going to have to search you. Do you have anything in your pocket sharp or anything dangerous at all?
I don't think so, no. How are you?
Yeah, I couldn't either. That's why I asked. That was pretty close. Yeah, we got to search it first, and then if that's what you want, then we can do that.
You haven't asked for 16, have you?
Yeah, I did.
Hey, Priscilla, I wasn't walking fast enough out of AT&T, so they arrested me.
Watch her flip the script. She tells her friend she was arrested for walking slow. She is leaving out the 10 minutes of arguing. This is how people try to win the court of public opinion.
I probably won't be out here by the time you get here. Hey, where's your camera at?
Negative again.
Clear out. Do you have anything in your bra?
I do not.
Okay, fine. So we give everyone this warning, okay? If you introduce anything into the jail, we might consider confrontation like a weapon.
Tayna Fogle learned the hard way that when a stubborn ego meets the law usually wins. She walked out of that AT&T store with 3 criminal charges: third-degree trespassing, menacing, and resisting arrest. The real point of no return was not how fast she walked, but the moment she chose to slap the officer's hand. As a council member, she is supposed to be a guardian of the rules, not someone who thinks they are above them. It is a tough lesson on how a 5-minute power struggle can burn down a lifetime of public reputation. But this leaves us with a bigger question. In a world of high tension, where do we draw the line between police patience and private property rights? Did Officer Sharp move too fast? Or did Ms. Fogle leave him with no other choice? I want to hear your take, so drop a comment below and let us get a real discussion going. If you value this kind of deep analysis, join our community by hitting that subscribe button. It helps us keep the body cams rolling. Thank you for riding with Blue Line Raw today. Stay grounded, stay smart, and stay safe out there.